Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, in this video we will start our new chapter, that is lesson 12, transport. So children, let's start now. Lesson 12, transport. Children, in this lesson we will learn about need of transport, types of transport, pollution caused by vehicles. So let's start now. Open the EVS book at page number 100. Children, first is need of transport. Transport. What is a transport? Transport is a system of carrying people or goods from one place to another. We cannot go everywhere on foot, so we take some convenience to go from one place to another. Some people use bicycle, scooter, car, bus or train to travel. Some people use an aeroplane or helicopter. Some people travel by a boat or ship. So children, all these are called means of transport. They are also used to carry goods from one place to another. Children, now next is importance of means of transport in our daily life. Car take us to our place of work. School bus help us to reach our school. Loading vehicle help us to carry things. Bicycles are used for exercise. Some vehicles can be used for racing and adventure. So children, without means of transport, our life will be very difficult. Children, some means of transport are used to carry only goods while some carry both people and goods. Certain means of transport such as aeroplane, trains and ships can be used to travel long distances. However, some means of transport such as bicycles, scooters and cars are usually used to travel short distances. Children, now open the book at page number 101. Types of transport. Children, you have already studied in previous class that there are three different modes of transport. They are land transport, air transport and water transport. So children, we use different means of transport to travel and to move our belongings. Children, out of all the means of transport, some are common in the villages such as bullock cart, bicycle and tonga. On the other hand, some are common in cities such as bus, car and trains. There are certain means of transport that are found only in big cities such as metro, cabs and local trains. Children, this is metro. It is one of the recent modes of transport that is introduced in the big cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Lucknow, Bangalore. It runs on electricity. It is used to carry people. It runs between different stations. Children, this is local train. Local trains run between towns and cities located close to each other. These help people to travel from towns to cities daily. These run on the same track as the normal trains but have more stops than the normal ones. Children, this is cabs. This means of transport allow a person to hire a vehicle along with the driver to travel from one place to another, either within a city or from one city to another. Children, you must have seen this vehicle, right? Look at this picture. Very good children, this is auto rickshaw. This is a common form of transport in the cities. This vehicle is three-wheel and is often hired for traveling only to short distances. Children, the different means of transport that we use run on petrol, diesel, CNG and electricity. All these gives energy to the vehicles to run. Buses, cars and trucks need petrol, diesel or CNG to run by local trains and metro run on electricity. Children, open the book at page number 103. First, mention the date. Write 23rd assignment h.w. Mention your name, class, section. Come to the question, fill in the blanks. Number 1. Dash runs on electricity. Which vehicle is run on electricity? Very good children. Metro runs on electricity. Here we will write metro. 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 Metro runs on electricity. Number 2. Dash allows hiring of a vehicle along with the driver. Very good children. Cab. 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 Cab allows hiring of a vehicle along with the driver. Number 3. Dash is a three-wheeled vehicle that helps in transport to short distances. Which vehicle is a three-wheeled that helps in transport to short distances? Very good children. Auto rickshaw. Here we will write auto rickshaw. AUTORICKSHAW. Auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw is a three-wheeled vehicle that helps in transport to short distances. And children, take out your EVS Pair notebook. First, you will mention your name, class, section, write 23rd assignment, mention the date here, write lesson 12 H.W. Write lesson name, transport. Come to the next line, write answer the following questions, full stop. Come to the question number 1, QUE.1. What is transport? Yes children, what is transport? Very good children. Transport is a system of carrying people or goods from one place to another place. In next line you will write A and S. Answer. Transport is a system of carrying people or goods from one place to another, full stop. Now come to the next question number 2, QUE.2. Write the two needs of transport. You have to write the two needs of transport. In the next line you will write A and S. Answer. The two needs of transport are A. To reach our school, B. To go to the market to buy things, full stop. Done children? Children, in this video we have learned about needs of transport and types of transport. Other remaining topic we will continue in next video. And also children, you have to do the neat and clean work as I have done in the EVS Pair notebook as shown in given video. So children, will see you in next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.